Hello and welcome to Blue Neptoon Designs. My name is Amanda and today I'll be showing how I create a charcuterie platter. Today I'll be using this beautiful rose charcuterie board that I painted and created. If you'd like to see more of my creations, you're totally welcome to visit my website or message me if you have any further inquiries. So let's get started. If you are new to charcuterie boards, I've got you covered. You may know them as a cheese board, but a lot of times these will include meat, cheese, veggies, fruit, dips, chocolate. You can also just do a complete candy board too. When I'm mixing fruit and veggies together, I like to add some dip and maybe some chocolate and nuts in the center just to give it some extra sweetness. I'm just moving each piece around so that it looks good. I created the center open so that when I put the M&Ms with nuts inside that they didn't roll off. Then I just added some cherries all around to make it look good and add some extra different sweetness. I actually forgot to do a close-up video on this one before everybody started eating that night, but I did create a second platter which I did do a close-up video that you can see. These are just something that's fun to have for the evening for your guests. A lot of times they bring it in for appetizer at fancy restaurants, and they're also fun to make and a sort of all of your favorite foods in one. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them down below, and thanks for watching me create charcuterie platters.